Hello folks, my name is Ivan Kuo. Very excited to be with you today. Mighty Founder Accelerator Series, MFAS. What are some ways that we can continue to enrich the users, our startups, our founders within our community? A lot of what people are here for is to get noticed by investors, get you closer to funding, increase those chances of success. And a lot of what will be here is to show you how we can help you get there faster.
We've seen that we have had a major, massive facelift, right? For everyone here, all founders, I know that you want to get to that investor meeting. You want to get to a pitch event. The way to do it is through our platform. As you complete power-ups, you do your startup profile and what have you, your score will magically increase. So we've constructed 4 different workshops. So what are we going to talk about with you during that idea validation workshop? We want to talk about the viability of your amazing idea. So we're going to cover as well what it means to get in front of an investor at this point in your startup journey. Building your business. So what does this entail exactly? If you look down below, what you can expect to learn.
As you've heard, there are 2 other sessions here. Now, for the 4th session is that growth and scale stage. In the future, what you can expect, as this is just a kickoff, you can expect on Monday and Tuesday, the idea validation and building your business workshops. Coffee and chill. What this will essentially be is a casual networking event of sorts, really a community-focused event where you can come and meet other founders. On the other side of that coin, we have office hours. If you have any support that you need with respect to the platform, this will be a moment for you to be able to come in and touch base with a member of our team. This has been our kickoff for the Mighty Founder Accelerator. Stay healthy, founders. Thank you very much.